Unlock the secret to bringing your videos to life with powerful, custom animations using keyframes in CapCut PC. First, ensure your video clip is added to the timeline. In CapCut PC, we're going to animate the scale of this clip, making it zoom in. With your clip selected, find the Basic Properties panel on the right. Here you'll see options like Scale, Position, and Rotation. To create your first keyframe, click the small diamond icon next to the Scale property. This marks the starting point of your animation. Now, drag the playhead to a new position on your timeline, where you want the animation to end. With the playhead at the new position, adjust the scale value. Watch as another diamond, a keyframe, automatically appears on the timeline, registering this new scale value. CapCut intelligently interpolates the movement between these two keyframes, creating a smooth zoom-in effect for your clip. You can toggle between keyframes to fine-tune the timing or adjust the property values at each point. This same principle applies to other properties. Let's add a position animation. Move your playhead, click the keyframe icon next to position, and then move the clip in the preview window to your desired end location. CapCut creates a new keyframe for the position. At that point, you can combine multiple animated properties on a single clip for complex movements. Experiment with rotating, adjusting opacity, and more. Each property can have its own keyframes, giving you ultimate control over dynamic visual storytelling. Master keyframes in CapCut PC and transform your edits from static to sensational.